Hello students, today I have another interesting question. How does this look to you? There are three summations. Summation m is varying from 1 to infinity, n is also varying from 1 to infinity, and k is also varying from 1 to infinity. And then there is some complicated expression is there. How to solve these type of question? So the hint is in the denominator itself. Let's first look at the denominator. Now the denominator, if I expand it, let's see what I'll get. If I further simplify, so this is what we'll get after expanding. Now I notice that these terms are cyclic in nature. Since all the limits are from 1 to infinity, can we replace the variables? If I replace m by n, there is not much change in the numerator. Instead of m square n, we will get n square m. That's the only change. In the denominator as well, there will not be any change. So since the terms are cyclic, even if I replace m by n or n by k or k by m, the sum will remain the same. There will be 6 combinations where m is replaced by n is replaced by m. Similarly, when n is replaced by k is replaced by n, and k is replaced by and m is replaced by k. So total 6 summations will be there. If I add all these 6 expressions, I will get 6s is equal to m and k will remain same. There will be no change. It will be common. The denominator also remain same. 5 raised to the power minus m plus n plus k. This part will also remain same. Inside the bracket, 6 times m and k will get added. Get 6 m and k times summation m square n will get. Notice carefully the numerator portion. Actually, if I take 3 common, it is actually summation m square n plus 2 m and k, which we have just seen that it is equal to the denominator. That's it. The magic will happen now. Perfectly, the numerator denominator gets cancelled out. Simplifies to, we can easily find the value of this expression now, which is an AGP. We can expand it. We all know how to handle AGP. We multiply by the common ratio and write it in the staggered form. Once we subtract, we will get a perfect GP whose sum we can easily find out. Therefore, S dash value is 5 by 16. So if I plug it back into the original equation, I can write 2s is equal to s dash whole cube, and that's it. This is our answer. You can just plug in the value. So 5 by 16 cube, s is equal to 1 by 2, 5 by 16 whole cube. That is the final answer. This question we have seen how to take help of cyclic terms. If you have understood the question, try this question on your own and write the answer in the comment section.